beauties, welcome back to another Spruce News video. So today I'm going to be doing some product reviews for you. Whoop, whoop. I love these types of videos. I love doing product reviews because it's normally a product you guys have never heard of before or seen before or used before, and it's always good to show you something new, what's out there in the market, what you can get, what's good, what's not good, etc. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing the Bodyblendz 3-piece shimmer kit. This beauty right here. This is a limited edition, however you can actually still get this on the Bodyblendz website. I think it's in the gift set section. I don't know if you can buy each of these individually. I'll find that out and then I'll put them in the description box below for you, just so you know whether you can, and then I'll link where you can get this as well if you like what you see. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I had a look on the website. This costs around $50, but I can see on their website that it's on offer at the moment. It's like 20% off or 10% off, and it's $39.99 at the moment, which equates to around £31, I think. And they do ship worldwide, just so you know. But anyway, let's get into it because I'm excited. So what we have from the back of the box, we've got a face and body coffee shimmer scrub, a bronze shimmer body oil, and an illuminating balm. The illuminating balm is the one that I'm really excited to try. I didn't put any highlights on because I thought, I did see that on the back of the box and I thought we could try it out as a highlighter and just see what it looks like on the body. This is the coffee face and body shimmer scrub. I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to try it on my face, but I won't do that in this video. I'll do that in a separate video. I'll probably do that as an Instagram story just because I've already done my makeup. So, but I will test this out and let you know what it's like. I really find it difficult to do like body scrubs on camera because obviously I'm in the shower, but I will try it out and then let you know my thoughts. I might even do a blog post on it. I'm not quite sure yet what I'll do, but very, very, very excited to try this. I do love coffee scrubs because I find them really exfoliating and great on your skin, so super excited about that. So next up we have the Bodyblendz Shimmer Oil Bronze Shimmer Body Oil, which looks like this. It looks so pretty. Let's just try it out. So this is 100 ml and it says it's all natural and vegan and made in Australia. So I'm going to try it out on my arms. It's an oil, so I don't know whether... Okay, so it does squirt out like that. Oh, it smells amazing. That smells so good. It's like vanilla and then coffee. That's really nice. Put a watch on, stupidly put a watch on. Oh, it's not vanilla, it's coconut. And then there's sweet almond in it as well. A bit more on. Oh, I'll put a bit much on then. That would be so lovely for like holiday. But you can get that summery glow, but in the winter it's just perfect. It's great if you're going out. You can use it on your legs and just your like all over where you want to feel a bit more of a glow. Let's just do it on this arm as well. Oh, that's lovely. It really does bring out my tan as well, which is perfect. Just all over my shoulders. Oh, it's very illuminating, look. Not to flash it too much, but oh, that's lovely. And there's like just a little bit of shimmer. It's not too overpowering. Absolutely love that. It just smells amazing. And finally, we're going to be using their illuminating balm, which is the one product I've been so excited to try out. On the back of the box it says, the illuminating balm is the perfect way to add that natural glow to your skin. Look more radiant than ever. This perfect illuminating balm not only enhances your complexion, but hydrates your skin at the same time. So you can put this underneath your makeup, as a highlighter, as any like skin highlighter, everything. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so let's get into this. It's kind of got a bit weird in the pot. Look, I think it's because it's just fell. Okay, let's try and take a little bit and see what we can do with that. So I've just taken a little bit on my finger, if you can see. And I'm going to just, I don't want that much on. I'm going to try and put it as a highlighter and see what that does. Like it goes on really well, but it's a little bit, you have to really blend it with your fingers. But look at that as a highlighter. That's incredible. It does really illuminate your skin. I think probably over the makeup it looks nice, but underneath I think you'll get more out of it. My brow bone. But that looks lovely. Like that is amazing. Like that is such a nice glow. But it's really quite natural. Like powders, you can see the shimmer like in a highlighting powder. Because of obviously this is a balm, it just looks natural rather than like you can see that you've got powder on your face, if you know what I mean. That's so lovely. Like it's just so dewy. It just makes your skin look vibrant. Yeah, I'm in love with that. I'm absolutely in love with that product. I'll definitely be using that every day. Got that on there. Perfect. So that's it guys, that is just the products that are from Bodyblendz. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really love Bodyblendz products. I find them quite affordable. I think that they're really nourishing. I love their face masks and I really love their body oil and the illuminating balm that I've just received. I haven't yet obviously tried the scrub, so I'll test that out and let you know. But for if it's anything like the face scrub that I have and it's like the mask, I cannot get enough. I'll link that video above because I did do a video on that. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The smell is amazing. The quality feels really good. It goes on really well onto your skin. Apart from the fact that I spilt some of the oil on my trousers. But it's all good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to keep it as short as possible because I keep creating really long videos for some reason. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you next time. Bye!